Welcome to Adelane's Adventures. This is 10 fun facts about Yorkshire. Did you know Yorkshire is the biggest county in England? It's so big they had to divide it into 4 parts. And North Yorkshire is still the biggest county by itself. Yorkshire covers 2.9 million acres in total, and so much is gorgeous countryside. And this place holds lots of interesting stories. Yorkshire has the oldest tourist attraction in England, Mother Shipton's Cave. It has a petrifying well, a wishing well, a cool play park, and you can hear the legend of a powerful witch from Yorkshire, Knaresborough to be precise. Yorkshire also has its very own chocolate factory. Factory, rock, fudge, and chocolate factory. The family who founded the factory still work there today. And you can roll your own rock and make your own lollies too. Another quite mysterious fact is that the first ever videos, or shall I say moving pictures, were filmed here in Leeds using a camera made by inventor Louis Le Prince. But then he mysteriously disappeared on a journey to show the world his invention, never to be seen again. Also in Yorkshire is Scarborough. And this fun place is the UK's first ever seaside resort. Wow, very cool. I do like Scarborough a lot. Another fun fact is that in Spofforth, North Yorkshire, there is a secret castle smack bang in the middle of a village, surrounded by modern houses. We were so excited when we discovered it. It's been there for centuries. And you're free to roam around it and imagine yourself as the queen. Jelly Tots were invented in Yorkshire, in Leeds, by a scientist called Brian Buffy. And it was an accident. He was trying to make instant setting jelly from powder and water. The droplets made little jelly tots that were sold around the world. And his invention also helped NASA too. Yorkshire is also home to one of the oldest streets in Britain. The Shambles is a medieval street and the inspiration for Diagon Alley in Harry Potter. Another fun fact, a vampire was born in Yorkshire. Okay, so not quite, as we know vampires aren't real, right? But the most famous fictional vampire of all time was created here, Dracula. And you can visit Whitby and you can see lots of places from the book, written by Bram Stoker. Bingley Arms is one of the oldest pubs in England. Maybe the oldest. It just so happens to have proper nice food too. I'd be boldest to say Yorkshire has the best fish and chips in the world. That's my own Adelane fact for you. Thanks for watching. More facts coming soon. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I nearly forgot as well.